It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Let's take a look inside the front of the truck. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and power folding mirrors. We also have our programmable memory seat and our child lock. Down here we've got our premium Bose sound system. Over here we have our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and those buttons are located on both the driver's seat and the front passenger seat. Over here we have our two-wheel and four-wheel drive buttons, as well as our interior lighting buttons and dials. Over here we have our power sunroof. As we get right inside the truck, you'll notice our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Here's our forward collision alert button, as well as our cruise control buttons. Over here we have our audio buttons. Over here we've got our digital speedometer. Up here we've got our rear view mirror camera, and just with a flick of the switch we can turn that camera around. Down here we have GMC's infotainment center, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have navigation, and the screen doubles as a backup camera. Down here we've got our push start button, as well as dual climate control with air conditioning. We have heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure, our tailgate button, traction control, hill descent control. Down here we've got our trailer brake, as well as our USB and power plug-ins. Here we've got our wireless charging pad. You simply put your phone in there and it'll charge it for you. And we've got a deep and spacious center console with some USB and power plug-ins, as well as some additional lighting in there. This truck's got a 6.2 liter V8 engine, 20-inch wheels. At the front here we've also got those red tow hooks, some fog lights, running boards. This truck's also got a sporty off-road package with a 2-inch factory lift kit for mild off-roading. The shocks are upgraded to a Rancho branded shock for longer travel and life. We've got our body colored bumper, no chrome, it gives it that sporty aggressive look. Along with the 2-inch lift kit and the Rancho shocks, you get a factory mechanical locking rear differential that helps with the off-road application. As we head to the back of the truck, you'll notice our corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the back of the truck. We also have GMC's lift and lower tailgate. So we can drop that tailgate down, and with just the click of a couple more buttons, we can drop this tailgate down even more. It's called the Multi-Pro tailgate. And this tailgate holds up to 500 pounds. All right, we're gonna take a look in the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice we've got lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the door, we've got power windows. We've got some seat pockets, as well as heated rear seats, some USB and power plug-ins. This center seat folds down into double cup holders. And we also have some behind the seat storage located in either side of those back seats. And if we need additional storage, we do have under the seat storage by simply folding up those rear seats. Come check out this 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.